Hello, welcome everyone. I thought of creating this video so that I could help you with just the last minute preparation of tense. So speaking about tense are basically of three types as you all know, past, present and future. And they're subdivided into four more subcategories: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. Now today I'm not going to discuss about what these are or how. I'm not going to speak about the definition and all. What I'm going to tell you is that when you are about to solve any exercise related to tense, always remember that the hint is in the question itself. Okay, for example, if I say I dash a letter now, so in this sentence the hint is now. Now will tell you that this action is taking place in the present. And because it says now, that means you have to use present continuous tense. As we know, the definition of present continuous is it is used to indicate an action which is going on at the time of speaking. So now, at the time of speaking, the action is going on. So we are supposed to use present continuous. I am writing a letter now. Am I clear? So because of that, we also need to know, I would say, just remember the structures of each and every tense, and that is what I'm going to tell you today. In today's session, just I'm going to give you the structures that you need to remember. Okay, just go through the structures once. Okay, that is going to be of help, I believe. Now, starting with simple present tense. The structure of simple present tense, you can note it down. The structure is subject plus V1, that is verb 1, plus object. Simple present tense. Then the structure of present continuous is subject plus be verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Structure of present perfect tense: subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Structure of present perfect continuous tense: subject plus has or have plus been, been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for is also used after the object. Okay, so here you can use two objects. Okay, now since is used to depict point of time, action which is taking place for a point of time, or like the starting point. Okay, the point of origin when the action started. I have been working since 1994. Okay, so since is used to depict the point of time when the action originated or started. And we use for to depict a period of time, the length or duration. Okay, now that is present perfect continuous tense. Now talking about past tense: simple past structure: subject plus V2 plus object. Past continuous: subject plus be verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now you would see that the structure of present continuous and past continuous is exactly same, but the be verb used in present and the be verb used in the past tense would be different. In the present tense you would use be verb like is, am, are, but in the past tense you would use be verb like was and were. Now speaking about present perfect tense: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Past perfect continuous: subject plus had plus been, been plus V1 plus ing plus again since or for plus object. Okay, next. Okay, I just clarify once again that in present perfect continuous or in past perfect continuous, the since and for would come after the first object. Okay, then we have another object that is going to depict the duration. Okay, time. For example, let me just explain it with an example. I have been studying since morning. So I have been studying economics since morning. So here we have two objects. One is economics and the other is morning. So morning is used to depict the point of time. Okay, and economics is the object. Okay, so since or for can is used after the object. Okay, I have been studying economics for 8 hours. So here for is used after economics, that is the object. Okay, and then we have 8 hours. Okay, that is the period of time. Clarification done. Let's move to future tense. Now in case of simple future, the structure is going to be subject plus the model auxiliary. It could be will, it could be shall, it could be can, it could be will, it could be may. Okay, now I will just go with will and shall as of now. So subject plus will shall plus v1 plus object. Future continuous tense. Subject plus will shall plus be plus v1 plus ing plus object. Future perfect tense. Subject plus subject plus will shall plus have plus v3 plus object. Next, future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus for plus object. Okay, so in case of present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous, we can use since and for as optional. Okay, alternatively. But in case of future perfect continuous tense, we cannot use since, we can only use for. So keep that in mind, because in future tense we can just show like the duration of the action when at a point of time in the future. So I have been working for this many years, okay, and this duration will complete in the future. Okay, but in case of past and present, we take a point of time that is in the past. That is why we can depict since, we can use since to depict the point of origin of the action. But in case of future, we cannot use since, because the point is not in the past, but the point is in the future. Okay, am I clear? So I hope that helps you a lot. Okay, all the best for your examination. Thank you.